Welcome ladies and gentlemen to another video created and published by Arta BI. As you might know, in this series of videos we will discuss several topics regarding the new Oracle BI Suite 11G. And in our next video we gave you a quick overview of the new scorecarding tool. And in this video I will show you how to create a strategy tree with this scorecarding tool. And I will do so based on the strategy tree that was already available by the sample app that was given to us by Oracle. I have modified the strategy tree a little bit, so it's a little bit smaller and more understandable. As you can see right here, we have a company, which is Eden Incorporated in this case. And this company has several objectives. In this case there are two. There is one that says improve financial results, and the other one is to enhance the customer satisfaction. Well, one of these objectives, the improve financial results, has a child objective. The other one, enhance customer satisfaction, doesn't, and is just based on two KPIs. We will just leave this objective for what it is. And we will focus on the improve financial results. We are going to create a sub-objective, so we will show you how an objective is created and how it is based on several KPIs and how you can configure it to show you what you want. To do so, first turn on the edit mode, or else you will miss some features. And then we click with our right mouse button on our main objective and then use create objective. Now a child objective has been created and we can give it a name. And in this case we will call it reduce cost, because that's what we want to do to improve our financial results. Of course, you can match these objectives with your company strategy if you like. Once that's done, we can give it a description if we like. And as you can see right here, we can add some objectives or KPIs. So an objective can rely on other objectives or on KPIs. Well, in this case, our KPIs are already made. I am not going to tell you how to do that. So I just go to my KPIs, and in this case I'm going to use average order size, before I forget, you need to save your objective before you can add any KPIs to it. Well, we are adding our KPI right now, and we can choose from several dimensions. In this case I will just choose point of view, and we keep the label average order size. And now I will do the same for collect to bill ratio. And we will use the default settings again. Well, that's the first start, as you can see right here. Now our sub-objective is added, and it is based on our two KPIs we just added. Of course, we can configure our objective a little bit more. We can add actions to it, and actions can be navigating to BI content, such as a report. We can navigate to a web page, a web service, and well, we can do pretty much everything we like with that. And we can also tell it when it should be displayed, in case when a objective is okay, or when a objective has a warning, or when a objective has a status that it is critical. So we can perform other actions depending on the state of the objective. So we can cancel that. We can also add our objective to a perspective we created earlier. In this case it is part of a financial perspective, so we can add it to that one. The second thing I want to show you is how the assessment formula is handled. This means that in this case it turns yellow because that is the worst case at this moment. So it uses the worst KPI available right now. We can also turn it to best case, so if 1 is a little bit better than the rest, so 1 is okay and 4 are critical, it still says, well, your objective is okay because one of them is okay. This is all free to configure as you wish. You can also use it to show you which is the most frequent. So if 3 out of 5 are okay, your objective is okay. If 3 out of 5 KPIs are critical, then your objective is critical. And the last one is weighted. Here you can add your own weight to the several KPIs that you are using. Well, once you have done that, you can add some more things. You can add some related documents, and you can add a comment if you like. Here you can add causes and effects, which will relate to your cause and effect map, which we will not discuss right now. And here you can define initiatives that will support your objective. And as you might know from our last video, initiatives are projects or other objectives which will make that you can reach your objective right here. So these are all the options to configure an objective, as you can see right here. And once it's done, we can save it. And our strategy tree will refresh, and as you can see, we can find everything right here. And if you have attached any actions to your objectives, you can view them right here. As you can see right here, we can show some other dashboards which relate to this objective. We can contact the owner, add a comment, or just open it up. So this is in a quick introduction to how to create an objective, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.